everyone! Today we are exploring the timeless art of drawn thread work. It's all about removing some threads to create a beautiful open work pattern. I've chosen this lovely light green linen fabric. I've already fixed it into my hoop and now I'm marking 2 dots with a 2 centimeters gap. For the thread, I'm using the exact same shade as the fabric to keep the design seamless. For our preparation, I've separated a single strand of floss, but I am doubling it over before threading my needle. This creates a loop at the end, which is a wonderful way to secure your thread cleanly without a large knot. To make things easier for both stitching and filming, I'm mounting my hoop onto a stand. This keeps my hands free and the camera steady for you. Using a single strand of floss doubled over, I'm starting with blanket stitches between my dots. The secret to a neat finish is counting your fabric threads. I'm counting 3 threads for each stitch to maintain a consistent size. If you're trying this at home, I highly recommend using a high-quality even weave linen. Because drawn thread work relies on counting and pulling specific threads, linen is the perfect choice. The threads are clear, consistent, and easy to separate, which makes your work much more precise and enjoyable. Once the first 2 centimeters line is filled, I'll secure the thread at the back. These blanket stitches are vital. They act as a border to stop our fabric from fraying when we start removing the threads. Now for the delicate part. I'm carefully cutting the horizontal fabric threads right at the edge of my blanket stitches. I'll carefully cut and remove just 2 horizontal threads, one at the top and one at the bottom, and pull them all the way to the right. These empty paths show me exactly where to stitch my second row of blanket stitches. By following these pulled threads, I can be 100% sure my lines are perfectly parallel before I remove the rest of the fabric. Then I'll remove them one by one. As I pull them out, you'll see the vertical threads remain, creating a 2 centimeter shy window of loose threads. It's a very satisfying process to watch the fabric transform. To stabilize these vertical threads, we need to group them. Using 2 strands of floss, I'm performing a hem stitch. am grouping 4 threads together for each stitch, pulling them snugly to create a little bundle. I'll do this along the top edge, then flip my hoop and do the exact same for the bottom. This preparation is what allows us to create the pattern next. It is very important to count carefully. If you group 4 threads every time, your pattern will look perfectly symmetrical. Once I finish the top line, I'll secure my thread at the back, rotate my hoop 180 degrees, and repeat the process on the other side. This technique dates back centuries, famously known in regions like Italy and Scandinavia, where it was used to create delicate, lace-like effects on household linens and church vestments. In our modern world, it remains a favorite for luxury tablecloths, heirloom baby clothes, and elegant dress hemlines. Now we start the pattern. I'm knotting the first 2 bunches together. Then for the next set, I'll knot the second and third bunches slightly lower and the third and fourth slightly higher. This zigzag movement creates these beautiful hexagonal shapes in the open space. Just continue this rhythm from left to right. While I love this monochrome green, you can try this on any color fabric. Imagine white on white for a classic look, or even a contrasting thread for something modern. For the final touch, we'll do some weaving. Using 4 strands, I'll start at the bottom corner and weave through 2 bunches of threads, alternating left to right. After about 6 wraps, I'll hide the thread by wrapping it back down to the fabric and moving to the next set. This is a very relaxing step. Take your time, rest your eyes, and enjoy the pattern as it slowly appears. Once I rotate the hoop and finish the other side, you can see how elegant and unique the texture is. For this weaving part, I highly recommend using a blunt tapestry needle. Since we are wrapping our threads around the bundles we've already created, a blunt tip will glide under the fibers without piercing or snagging them. It keeps the wraps looking smooth and professional. While I love the elegance of this tone-on-tone green, don't be afraid to experiment. Imagine a white thread on navy fabric for a nautical feel, or a bright gold thread on black linen for something truly modern. Once you master the technique, you can use color to make this ancient art form fit your personal style. Now that our pattern is complete, look at the stunning texture it creates. This technique adds an incredible touch of luxury to any garment. You can see here how it frames the cuffs of a sleeve or creates a delicate, airy finish along a hemline.